All right guys, check it out. You can see in front of me a huge box from Babyliss Pro. You can see what's on the front, Custom FX. I got a brand new Custom FX set to open up today. I did already open the box. I didn't really know what all was in here. I wasn't gonna do a video, but I decided to. We're gonna open these up and check them out in this video. And if you guys missed my previous Babyliss announcement, guys, I am educating for Babyliss moving forward in 2024. Super excited. This is the first, hopefully, of many packages I'm gonna get from Babyliss with some new tools. And this is a new Custom FX to replace the ones that I'm using. We're gonna throw them on the wall when we get done. So let's go ahead and open this box. Well, it's already open, but let's go ahead and get in this thing and see what all is inside. There's some cool stuff in here. So as I'm gonna go ahead and just set it all out, the box is kind of big, so you can't really see. I guess the overhead camera angle is a little bit tight. So we're gonna go ahead and just get everything out. All right, so you guys can see here is everything that came in the pack. There's a lot to go through, so I'm gonna go ahead and move it all to one side or kind of out of the way, and then we'll go through it one at a time. We'll start with this stuff over here. So I'm just gonna throw it all over here. And I left these in the package so you can't really see what it is. I didn't want you guys to, be able to see the clippers first thing. We'll have to go through everything else. All right, so you guys can see a couple Custom FX stickers. These colors are all made to match some of the color options you have on the Custom FX. So these are flat top combs, blue, purpley, pink, orange, and another blue. We do get some hair grippers in those same colors. And here's a little pamphlet for the Custom FX. I haven't really seen this, so congratulations on receiving your handcrafted Babyliss Custom FX tool uniquely designed by you. Scan the QR code to watch a quick video for some of the other topics. And you guys can see here are some examples of what you can do. If you guys aren't familiar with the Custom FX, guys, you can pick every color of every piece on the clipper and build all kinds of cool combinations. I have a gray with blue, pink, and green on it right now. I'll throw them over here in a minute, but I have those right now. I made a new set that is sitting right here. We're gonna check out last. You guys can make, they got like Superman color on here, Batman, Wolverine. You guys can take inspiration from anything around you, your favorite sports team, whatever. You guys can customize your clipper to match those colors, and it is super sick. So this isn't really anything new. It's been out for a few years. I think like 2019 maybe is when they dropped it, and I've had 4 or 5 different sets. And you guys can see I got a lot of different colorways behind me on the wall, but no customs. So I wanted to put these customs up on the wall, and now that I'm working for Babyliss, they sent me a new set, told me to pick out whatever I wanted, and they sent all this stuff. So some of this stuff is extras. I didn't get these guards we're gonna check out in a second. I didn't order these combs, but some of the stuff was extra. They hooked it up. They saw my name on the order, and I appreciate it. So shout out to Babyliss. But let's go ahead and check out what else is over here. All right, so I did pick up some rubber grips. You guys can see them here. I'll go ahead and take them out. You can look at them in the overhead camera. So you guys can see these are the black rubber grips. These are the bottom handles that go on some of the clippers. And you guys see the Camo FX right here behind me. I don't love that it has the gray metal grips. We're gonna be swapping these out. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and get them off the wall, and we will do that real quick. I'll show you guys how to do it. So super easy. Let me get my power screwdriver out. You guys always ask if you're interested in this power screwdriver. It is in the Amazon link, the store down below. That is all my Amazon recommendations. You guys can get it on there. I think it's only like 30 bucks. So I love this thing. It makes stuff like this so much easier. So all we're gonna do is take off the 3 screws on the bottom here. We need to get this hanging hook out of the way. We're gonna take the bottom 3 screws off. You guys see the bottom ring comes off, or whatever you want to call that. All you have to do is slide the grip off. Oh man, I did not expect this to be camo underneath, but we slide the grip off. There's that. You can see the compatible rubber grip. All we gotta do is slide the rubber grip on. Oh yeah, those are sick. Tighten these 3 screws back down. And boom, there's the clipper. Same thing on the trimmer. Man, look at that side by side, so much better. Now you just slide the bottom ring off, take the grip off. Man, that one just about fell off. Go ahead and throw the rubber grip on here, slide it all the way up. Put the bottom ring back on, tighten these screws in, and we're done. So super easy. You guys can get these grips. Right now they're a little bit sold out, so I was gonna do gray actually on these, the gray rubber grips. That is like what is on my customs, but they did not have gray. So I think they have like black, red, and blue right now, but you guys can get those rubber grips to match. Obviously black is gonna go on almost anything. If you guys have, most of it comes with it now. So you see all the boosts, that's really when these came out, but the boosts, pretty much everything I have on the wall has it, but some of the other sets like the Camo FX and I think think some of the other ones, maybe some of the metal FXs, the blue metal, whatever, I think some of those didn't come with it. So if you guys do want to swap it out, you can do so. Now, I don't remember what they cost, but they're not too outrageous. So I think something like 25 bucks, 20 bucks, something like that. But you guys can see, get these things out of the way. I don't know what I'll do with them, just hang on to them. But drastic improvement from the metal gray grips. And you guys can see right here, I'll hold them up for the better camera angle. But man, if that is not so much better looking now, the all matte black with the camo effects up at the top. So anyway, that is the second part. We'll go ahead and throw these back up here. Next up, guys, I did order a bunch of blades. You guys know I love the taper blades. Again, everything on the wall behind me, fade blade, fade blade, fade blade, fade blade. All the FXs come with the fade blade. The snaps come with the fade blade. I believe all the low pros come with the fade blade. So I ordered 2 taper blades in every color. So we got black, silver, and gold. And I will probably, you know, we might put a silver one on the camo, probably swap a gold one for the gold boost and maybe the gold low pro. We put the black one on maybe, you know, one of these red or yellow low pro FXs, and maybe the Los Cutteds, we can go ahead and put a black blade on as well. So let's go ahead and throw one of these on the camo effects. Since we're already kind of tweaking on that, I think I'm gonna do silver just because nothing else is silver. So let's get these out of the way and we will do the silver blade on the camo effect. So this is super easy, guys. We're just gonna pop these 2 screws off. They're a little bit snug when you start, so grab the clipper, go ahead and loosen these all the way off. And guys, there is a spring underneath, so as you loosen it, it is gonna wanna pop out. So hold on to it so you don't shoot the screws across the room, the blade across the room. So there it is. There is the fade blade taken off. Go ahead and pop this package open. Oh, and it does come with a cutting blade. So I wasn't really sure, I wasn't aware. I don't really know the difference. Let's see if it says anything on here. So it does not say if it is like a deep tooth or anything like that, but basically a replacement. We can hold them next to each other. Looks like it is pretty much the same. I'm just gonna leave the graphite one that is on here. Now all you guys have to do, again, this is spring loaded, so we're gonna take our taper blade, push it against it. I like to hold it like this, hold it down. You guys hold it where the screw holes align. Let's go ahead and put the black screws back on, you know, kind of murder this thing out. I guess we could have put a black blade on it, that would have been sweet, but they're all basically gonna operate the same. On the trimmers, you guys run into kind of blades cutting slightly different based on the finish or the coating. On clippers, I don't notice it as much. So we're just gonna put this on here. I think it'll be fine. Again, guys, I have enough clippers. If we don't like this one, we can use one of the other clippers, and that is something, if you guys did not hear me talk about it in that other video, the idea here is, guys, I'm gonna do a tutorial. When we start the tutorial, I'll say, what clipper do we wanna use? Let's try the camo boost today. We'll grab the camo boost, we'll do a tutorial, we'll talk about what this is like. The next video, we may use like the red low pro, and we can keep switching it up on the channel. So you guys know I've only really been using my FX1s lately, so we'll switch it up. So go ahead and gap it. You guys just wanna, I kind of close one eye, look down it, make sure it looks like it's even. You also wanna make sure that it is centered this way, and then we will hold it again still so that it doesn't move on us, and tighten the screw. So I like to do one, and sometimes turning that screw will throw it off, so I like to recheck it. It still looks good. Then we come in here, tighten the other screw, and we're good to go. So there's our silver taper blade. I'll be honest, that silver does not match at all. I may swap that to black later, but I don't have anything else. I guess the silver would look fine on like the blue clipper or, you know, one of the other colors. Silver's not gonna look so bad. That actually kind of clashes a lot with that camo. But for now, I'm not gonna do it again. Actually, I am gonna do it real quick, but we will cut real quick to the finished product. All right, so there you go. You guys can see the black absolutely looks better. So basically everything murdered out except for the camo at the top. Got everything matte black here, matte black badge on top. We do have the black in the camo, and now we have the black taper blade. So definitely a huge improvement. And guys, that is what I love about Babyliss Tools. You already got tons of color options. You can build your own custom clipper if you want. You can change the blades to the blades that you want. You can change the grips. I could take all of these clippers apart and swap out and really make a whole set of Frankenstein. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look at these. There may be something cool that we can do. Like we could take a certain, like the top of this purple and put the green ring on it and change out the badges. I actually made an all matte black set by putting these on the black set back in the day to make something that is different looking. So love it. Babyliss Tools, super customizable. I also have a custom low pro set. My lids got scratched. I got some new low pro lids getting powder coated from my green set. So we're gonna throw those up here as well. So the wall is just growing. So let's go ahead and put this back up. We gotta get moving, guys. We got a lot to look at. All right, next up, something simple. I actually have not seen these yet, guys. These are Babyliss trimmer guards. So these will fit any of the trimmers. And then we do have a full set of Babyliss premiums. And I was actually cutting hair today before this package came, and my premiums were rattling. My half guard was rattling super bad on my FX1 Gold FX. So perfect. We got some new gold premium guards, and we also have the trimmer guards for me to test out. And I'll let you guys know what I think about these. I don't use a lot of trimmer guards. I usually just use the clipper and then I line it up with the trimmer, but we will of course test these things out. But let's go ahead and get to our custom FX. All right, so here is the custom FX. We'll go ahead and slide it out. I'll go ahead and just just show you all of them. So kind of similar to my other colorway. It is all matte gray with some different colors. These are more of your standard, what do you call it? I got like neon colors over there. These are kind of our standard, you know, reminds me of like my kids' toys. They're all red and blue and yellow and green and all that. So you guys can see the set here. I'm gonna open them up, quick unboxing, go ahead and get these out of the way. And again, you guys can customize these however you want. This is super sick. I love this colorway. I love my other one as well, but I wanted to switch it up slightly. And like I said, there are, as it says right here, unlimited possibilities. So you guys do get the traditional clipper oil, blade cover, screwdriver, clipper brush, extra cam follower. We get the standard guards in here. I got about 30 packs of those, and our standard charging cord. Not gonna need any of that. And here's the trimmer, pretty similar. Only difference here is it does not have a lever, so there is no purple on that one. But zero gapping tool, blade cover, clipper oil again, and another cord. And here is our shaver. Let's see. The same thing, guys. You got totally customizable options to make this look however you want. And you can see we got a pretty dope matching set. Right here, there's a cord and a bag. That's all that comes with the shaver. So that's all the boxes. Let's go ahead and get them out of the way and we'll check these things out. All right, so you guys can see them here. Here's the clipper. This is actually kind of new. It's like a metallic red. I don't remember it looking like that. We do have the click lever in purple. We have the red logo plate or whatever it is called, the blue switch and the green bottom ring. And like I said, the trimmer doesn't have a lever, so no purple, but exactly the same colorway. And then the shaver, similar. I did a red button, the blue top, and a green. So no purple on that. But you guys can see, super dope matching set. I love these things. They're so sick. We are gonna have to, oh no, I ordered a taper blade on it. I forgot. You can pick your blade as well. So I was able to order a taper blade. Obviously, guys, once the MIM blades come out, I'm putting those on everything. It's like, what, isn't that a hot sauce commercial? I put that on everything. But yeah, so I was able to put a taper blade on it. I was actually about to bust one of those out and swap it. I did put the Fine-Tooth FX707B, which is the original gold blade. This is the graphite version, but the Fine-Tooth blade is my favorite. And then the shaver is just your standard double foil. But you guys can see them here. I'm gonna do a little B-roll for you guys so you can check them out. I might do a little haircut with them, but really I just wanted to open this box up, show you guys all the stuff, show you guys the options you have with the Custom FX. Let me grab my other ones real quick so you guys can check them out. All right, guys, so you can see here, this is the old set, the matte gray. Obviously the only difference is here is the pink, and then I did a gray lever on here. I don't know why I didn't do an extra color, but these things are super sick. I think I have a gray lid for this, so not so different. And then here's the new set next to it. So kind of the same idea. I do like that multiple colorway, something I've seen Sophie do a lot. It's actually on the page. When you go to customize your Custom FX, the example on the page is very similar to this. I think it has yellow on it and maybe orange, but very similar to the all black. So basically I got two options here. You know, I could switch the black grip to here and the gray grip to here and have kind of a full set that's like 6 different pieces that all match. But one thing we gotta do, guys, is take this off. We're gonna go ahead and put this on here so that we can charge everything on the mat. We'll put the green power clips on here. And I'm gonna make some space because these are gonna go on the clipper wall behind me. And unfortunately, guys, I haven't quite figured out yet how to put the shavers up here. I don't even have any room anyways, but you have to like stick a magnet on the back and then take one of these and take the magnet off, and somehow you can get them up there. But basically I got a drawer full of shavers. I might have to just put a little shelf and set these up or something. But anyway, let's grab some magnets. Let's make room on the FX spot for our customs, and then I'll hit you guys with some B-roll to finish it up. All right, so you guys can see now we got the customs up here. Once I get my other low pros, I'm gonna spread these out, put the green custom Sean Kotera low pros. Maybe one day now that I'm on the team, I'll have my own actual clipper, but for now, we have the custom up there. We got the custom FX. We will have the custom Sean Koteras, and now I'm gonna get some stuff out, set these up, and you guys can check these things out in full effect. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this Custom FX set. If you guys like it, smash that thumbs up. If you guys want to check out another Custom FX set, make sure you guys click right there and check that one out.